I was wondering if you could share with us where you grew up and some of those role models or key experiences that kind of helped you develop an appreciation for what it means to be an African empowered Black person and to serve our community. Who shaped that, and what experiences kind of shaped you early on?
Well, Bob, I grew up in a small town in Mississippi, my mother's hometown, and more specifically on my grandparents' farm.
Hmm.
And it was my mother and her children, as well as aunts and uncles. We had a great aunt also, but it was, in my mind, it was a version of an African village. So we were very well. We saw each other daily, worked together, but um, the important things I learned. So that was just a great experience. So I think that was preparing me to embrace the African way. But even though that wasn't expressly, taught from my mom, aunts, uncles, and grandparents, but what was expressly taught was who Europeans were. So it was made very clear that they were low down and dirty and they could not be trusted. So I had a clarity from a child that these people, even though I don't remember anyone saying the word enemy, but that was clear to me. And there was a distinct love for family. So we're very close. My family's very close, but also that love, it wasn't limited to just our family. It was a love for Black people. So I think those were definitely major ingredients that, were formative and helped me along my journey.